Welcome to a journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Yemen. A land of contrasts, Yemen's natural beauty spans from towering, rugged mountain ranges to serene coastal areas, each holding its own unique allure. Nestled between these contrasting landscapes, you'll find a rich tapestry of culture and history, adding an extra layer of depth to the country's scenic beauty. Yemen, a place where nature and culture intertwine, is a testament to the enduring spirit of the land and its people. From the high peaks of the Haraz mountains that pierce the sky, to the alluring coastline of Socotra Island, a haven of unique biodiversity, and the ancient streets of old Sana'a, teeming with history at every corner, Yemen is a land waiting to be discovered. So buckle up, open your mind, and let your imagination take flight. Prepare to embark on a virtual tour of Yemen's most stunning landscapes. First, we ascend to the high peaks of the Haraz Mountains. Imagine a place where the land rises to meet the sky, where layers upon layers of green terraces carve out a life from the rugged mountain slopes. This is the Haraz Mountains, a marvel of Yemen's natural beauty and human ingenuity. The Haraz Mountains are not just a physical landscape, they are a testament to the resilience and creativity of the human spirit. For centuries, the people of Haraz have cultivated these steep hillsides, transforming the rocky terrain into a patchwork quilt of fertile terraces. Here you'll find fields of barley, wheat and millet clinging to the mountainside like a living tapestry. The terraced agriculture is more than just a farming technique. It's a way of life, a tradition passed down from generation to generation, a testament to the harmony between man and nature. Every stone in the terrace walls, every seed in the earth, is a story of survival and adaptation in this harsh yet beautiful environment. But the Haraz Mountains are more than just terraced fields. Scattered across these high peaks are ancient villages, their stone houses stacked atop one another in a precarious balance. These villages, nestled in the heart of the mountains, are a window into Yemen's rich cultural heritage. Here, time seems to stand still as traditions and customs are preserved with a reverence that is both humbling and inspiring. From the summit of these mountains, you are treated to a breathtaking panorama. The view is a feast for the eyes, a canvas of verdant green fields, rugged mountain peaks, and the distant glimmer of the Red Sea. It's a sight that lingers in your mind, a reminder of the vastness and the beauty of the world we live in. The Haraz Mountains are a testament to Yemen's natural beauty, cultural richness, and the indomitable spirit of its people. They stand as a beacon, inviting us to explore, to discover, and to marvel at the wonders of our world. From the high peaks of Haraz, we now venture towards Yemen's coastal charm. Now we find ourselves on the exotic coastline of Socotra Island. Here, the sands whisper tales of biodiversity, where life thrives in its most unique forms. This isolated island, a gem off the coast of Yemen, is a treasure trove of nature's wonders, painted with a palette of vibrant hues. Immerse yourself in the splendor of Socotra's unique flora and fauna. This island is a living museum, home to hundreds of species that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. The dragon's blood tree, with its umbrella-shaped crown and red sap, is perhaps the island's most iconic resident. Yet it's just one of the many botanical marvels that call Socotra home. Step into the world of Socotra's fauna, a symphony of life in its most diverse forms. From the Socotra starling to the Socotra sunbird, the island's skies are aflutter with avian life that adds to the island's vibrant tapestry. But the wonders of Socotra aren't confined to the land. Venture into the island's crystal-clear waters, and you'll be welcomed by a kaleidoscope of marine life. The coral reefs here are teeming with life. From darting fish to slow-moving sea turtles, each playing a vital role in the island's underwater ecosystem. The captivating beauty of Socotra extends beyond the visible. It's in the whisper of the wind rustling through the dragon's blood trees, the rhythmic lullaby of the waves caressing the sandy shores, and the symphony of bird calls that echo across the island. It's a sensory experience that leaves a lasting imprint, a testament to the island's extraordinary biodiversity. Socotra Island, with its unique blend of land and sea, flora and fauna, offers a glimpse into a world that remains largely untouched by human hands. It's a celebration of life's diversity and resilience, a testament to nature's ability to thrive in the most unexpected places. Leaving the coastal allure of Socotra, we move towards the ancient charm of old Sana'a. For now, we bid farewell to the island's sandy shores and crystal-clear waters, carrying with us memories of a place where life flourishes in its most unique forms. Welcome to the ancient streets of Old Sana'a, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A walk through these streets is like a journey back in time. Old Sana'a, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, is a living testament to Yemen's rich history and unique architectural heritage. Its distinctive multi-story buildings made of rammed earth and decorated with intricate white gypsum patterns have towered over these narrow, winding alleys for centuries. It's not just the architecture that captivates you here, it's the life that teems within these walls. The city is a hive of activity with bustling markets or souks that are as much a part of Old Sana'a's character as its buildings. Each market has its own specialty, from spices and textiles to silverware and antiques. The air is filled with a blend of scents, from incense to the rich aroma of Yemeni coffee, a vital part of the country's cultural fabric. The history of Old Sana'a is etched into its very stones. This city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of trade routes, and the evolution of architectural styles. Each corner, each alley, each building tells a story, a narrative of resilience and continuity that extends back over 2,500 years. Old Sana'a is not just a city, it's a living, breathing museum, a testament to a way of life that has endured for centuries, a monument to human ingenuity and resilience. Its unique blend of history, architecture, and vibrant market life make it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to experience the essence of Yemen. From the ancient charm of Old Sana'a, we now head to the serene landscapes of Wadi Dawan. Our journey concludes in the serene landscapes of Wadi Dawan. As we venture into the heartland of Yemen, we find ourselves in Wadi Dawan, an area rich in history and culture. This region is renowned for its mud brick fortresses, standing tall and proud against the backdrop of peaceful valleys. These fortresses, a testament to the architectural ingenuity of the Yemeni people, blend seamlessly into the landscape, as if they have been crafted by nature itself. Wadi Dawan is not just about the fortresses though. The peaceful valleys that stretch as far as the eye can see are a sight to behold. They offer a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The landscapes here are a palette of earthy hues, from the deep browns of the valleys to the golden glow of the setting sun, casting long shadows and illuminating the land in an ethereal light. The lifestyle here is traditional, simple and unhurried. The people of Wadi Dawan live in harmony with their surroundings, their daily routines shaped by the rhythms of nature. It feels as if time itself slows down in this serene landscape, allowing one to appreciate the beauty of the simple things in life. The tranquility of Wadi Dawan is enchanting, and it's easy to lose oneself in the silence, broken only by the occasional call of a bird or the distant sound of a shepherd calling his flock. It's a place that encourages contemplation, a place where one can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature. Let's not forget the architectural beauty of Wadi Dawan. The mud brick fortresses are a sight to behold, their sturdy walls bearing the marks of time. Each fortress has its own story to tell, a story of resilience, of survival, of a people's love for their land. And with that, we end our journey through the stunning landscapes of Yemen. The journey may have ended, but the memories of Wadi Dawan with its serene landscapes and timeless beauty will linger on. Yemen, a land of diverse beauty, rich culture and ancient charm, certainly offers some of the world's most stunning sceneries. We've journeyed together through the high peaks of Haraz Mountains, the alluring coastline of Socotra Island, the ancient streets of Old Sana'a, to the serene landscapes of Wadi Dawan. Each place, unique in its allure, paints a vivid picture of Yemen's rich tapestry of nature and history. Whether you choose to explore these areas virtually or embark on an adventure in person, remember that every journey begins with a single step. Each corner of the world holds its own wonder, its own story, and Yemen has shared its tales with us today. Where in the world should we journey to next? The choice is yours. We're excited to continue exploring together. Please comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Until next time, keep exploring.